Hey, it's Dr. Pelosi. I'm here with Dr. Regina Hill, who just finished her first week of one-on-one training. So, Dr. Hill, what do you think?
It far exceeded my expectations. I'm so happy. I can't wait to come back, and I've learned so much. So I'm ready just to go back, get it in with my patients, and then come back and learn some more.
And what kind of procedures did you get into this week?
I did a little bit of everything. We did abdominoplasties. We did a bunch of Brazilian butt lifts, 360s, a lot of fat transfers. So I'm very excited.
That's great. Now, which course did you incorporate with your one-on-one training?
So I did the Master's Liposuction course with my one-on-one training.
Fantastic.
Yeah, so I'm really excited about all the new techniques. I thought that I was doing liposuction well, but I learned a lot about like really how you should even just like infuse the tumescent fluid, and I learned about like not just sucking out the fat, but really like having a plan and a design for taking the fat out. So I'm really excited about that.
Well, that's fantastic.
Okay.
We look forward to having you back.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.